Good evening, Rutgers. David Grace here with your Thursday, April 11th evening forecast. So after those last few days of unseasonably warm temperatures, almost reaching the 80s one of those days, we are now sliding back down to colder temperatures. Tomorrow is going to be the coldest of what it's been recently. And it's going to move, and then after that, it should move back into seasonably average or even slightly above temperatures. And everyone will like that because they can go back out and enjoy the weather again like they have the past few days. But first, let's see what today's weather was like. So today we hit a high of around 61 degrees and a low of 44. They're still slightly above the averages for this time of the year. And they're going to continue to slide back down tomorrow and then stay around the average or even slightly above for the next few days after that. And then sunset tonight was at 7:42 and sunrise tomorrow will be at 6:36 in the morning. So as we look at the regional high temperatures, we have Albany around 43 degrees, still a little bit cold. Hartford 60 degrees, Newark 61, Camden a lot warmer at 74. Held on to that higher temperature rather than we did here in New Brunswick. Baltimore around 85 and State College around 61. Now if we look at the lows, we have Red Creek around 34 degrees, State College about 50, Baltimore 54, Hartford 40 degrees, Newark 44, and Camden 48. Now as we look at our national satellite, we have this low pressure system to our west that's going to be bringing a lot of rain and slightly colder temperatures tomorrow into our area. Expect a lot of rain all day. And then here's a precipitation map to show New Jersey, most of Pennsylvania, and north of that should be experiencing about 1 to 2 inches of rain over the next day. And then south of that line, only about half an inch to an inch is what we see. Now if we look at tonight's forecast, like I said, about a low of 44 degrees. Slight chance of rain tonight, mostly before the sun comes up tomorrow morning. Should start around 4 a.m. Winds are going to be out of the east at 18 miles per hour. Tomorrow's morning commute, temperature about 47 degrees with chance of showers. Actually, it's a good chance of showers. It's going to be starting in the morning. Winds are going to be out of the east-northeast at 17 miles per hour. Going to be a little windy. Friday's forecast, the rain should pick up during the day along with the wind. And temperature about 56 degrees. Not going to feel too warm with all the clouds and rain. Not going to be very nice out with at many times it's going to be heavier rain, and like I said, we're going to be expecting about 1 to 2 inches. And then tomorrow night with a low around 43 degrees, the clouds will remain, but the rain should slow down and be out of our area by around 11 p.m. with the wind shifting to northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Now, if you look at our extended outlook, we have all that rain tomorrow on Friday with a high around 56 degrees. That should be clearing out into Saturday with a high around 62 degrees. It should be mostly sunny. There could be a little bit of rain lingering around in the morning, but then the rest of the day it should be sunny around 62 degrees. Sunday, very sunny, beautiful day, 60 degrees. Monday, that should continue, only a little bit of clouds during the day with a high around 65. And Tuesday, those clouds are still going to be there, a little bit more, probably mostly cloudy, but the high around 69 degrees. Those temperatures are rising back up early next week, bringing the weather that you love. And as always, you can find us on RUTV Channel 6 every 15 minutes. You can like us on Facebook at RUWeatherWatcher or follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW. And you can find us at rutv.rutgers.edu. I'm David Grace. Have a great evening, Rutgers.